Yes, a lot of modern cars everywhere. But sometimes you can notice this picture that guy drives old car every day. Why? Why it so happen? Today we want to look to this problem.
Patrick's Garage.
Grab your snack, welcome back. And first, problem number one, probably. This guy has not enough money to buy new truck Toyota. Yes, it can be happened that guy has not enough money, so he prefer driving old car rather than go to deep debts and buy new car from dealer. This is a really common problem, and we want to confess if me, if I'm driving old car, obviously, let's face the facts. I have not enough money to buy new truck. And this is true. I don't want to cheating myself, and yes, I want to admit that I have not enough money to buy new truck Toyota or any another truck, any new car. Can you imagine 50 grand or 100 grand for truck, 50 grand for a new car? Really, this is really expensive for average guy, not only for me. And this is, yes, this is will be number one problem. Why guy prefer driving classic car every day? So we want to start from we confess that we have not enough money for buying new Toyota and we want to continue driving old car. This is really real problem number one why we continue driving classic car. Old car, you can say whatever you want. Classic car and old car. And second reason, inherited car. Yes, inherited car. Probably guy died and you have this car, and this car will be inherited. Yes, this is also a common reason why we continue driving classic car. We have now this idea why I want to go and buy old car. This is really strange, if not say insane, why I have this decision to buy old car if I have ability to buy a new car. But this is can be a reason why you're driving old car, inherited car. And let's confess, this is really different things. To have inherited car, you want to restrict and continue driving this car. This is also your character features, I mean my character features, while we continue this process of driving old car. One thing not to start, another thing to stop. When you started, this is like how I can explain you. This is like horrible addiction. One thing not to start, and another thing stop. So if this is car inherited, you get this car and for nothing, and you can't stop to driving this car. This is like horrible addiction. But yes, we can't. I can't realize that completely. But probably this is so. Another number three, and this will be our third reason why you, why me, why another guy continue driving the car. Also, you get this car for nothing as gift from your dad. How you can restrict, how you can resist of gift. And yes, you get this gift. This guy gets this gift And this is gift from your relatives, probably from granny, from dad, and you continue driving this old classic car, you can say. But how we can stop? This is really hard purpose to stop driving this car, and we don't want to have these confrontations with relatives, and we continue driving this classic car. But we don't want. Probably we absolutely don't want to drive car. We want one car, we get another. So we continue. We don't want to have these confrontations with relatives. Or probably we so friendly with Granny and we continue driving his car. Another thing, this will be the next point, which was with me and what I want to share with you, and absolutely different if Granny saying that you shouldn't driving this car. This is really old. This is money pit. You don't want to grabbing from your budget money to maintain this old car. But my crappy character, I will. Because Granny is saying something another. Now autumn in November, Granny will be 95. Yes, Granny will be 95. Probably she pushes 100, but I remember, and a lot of years, I continue driving old car, which Granny said, you shouldn't to do this. And the last point, why you continue driving your classic car every day. This reason number 5, and what this reason can you guess? You can write in the comments. And your personal reason, and this reason will be you invest your money not in car for something else, and you prefer to maintain your old car in good working condition, and you don't want to spend this money for purchase of new car because will be a lot of expenses which you don't want because you have any another ideas where you can spend money. You don't want to waste your money for new cars which stuffed a lot of electronics inside. Now, if you know about any another excuses why guys continue driving old car, you can write in the comments. I will really interesting to reading your comments why these reasons from another guys why they continue driving old cars. Here is these were my 5 reasons why I think really common reasons why we continue driving old cars.
So, today we covered these 5 reasons just because we should know and understand. Let's get one thing straight. If you don't know why you want to driving old car, nothing else matters. And driving old car will be really hard when you can't understand why you're doing this. But this is disclaimer, you should be honest with yourself. Because if we have no clear vision why we doing this, it will be really hard to continue driving among new cars. And as we know, this is the main reason why most people fail if they are not understand why they driving old cars. So you can find a lot of unfinished projects. They don't know why they continue doing this. And you should realize this clear as clear as it possible, because you know this is fake information. Just cloud your mind. You should realize the real reason. So we realize that fake cause, fake reason why we continue driving our old car will be literally useless if not harmful. Because if you not understand why you're driving your old car, you just wasting your time. For average guy or driving old car, not just showing out, it's necessity. Average guy who drives old car, just he has not enough money for a new car. And this just proving what we're discussed today. Of course, this approach not for everyone. Different guy has different reason why he decided to go this way and not different way. And even if you continue driving old car, probably you're that means nothing. That not means you understand why you're doing this, why you continue.
Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell, so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.